Hi, and welcome to Shop Rjpasini for great deals on eBay. Today I want to talk about the hosting service I use to host my website and the software I use, which is right here. This here, folks, is by Serif. It's Webplus X5, and I'm going to show you where you can get it for a good price, and I'm going to also talk a little about the hosting service I use. Now, there are other hosting services out there, and I know they charge money and some offer free. Some of them have branding with it, so if you get on their cheap one or free one, you're going to have their brand, their name probably on the bottom over there, along the bottom of the website. But with the website I use, the hosting service I use, it's economical, it's affordable, and it's your website. You can put whatever you want on there. You don't have no branding on there. You have no names or anything that come up or any advertisements. It's totally yours, and that's what I like about it. And what I want to talk about is I'm going to compare the two websites that's out there, and they're not bad, folks. And I'm not bad-mouthing these companies or putting them down in any way, size, shape, or form. This video is strictly to help those who are starting out and want to create their own website, and that's why I'm doing this here. Okay, so the web hosting service I use is pretty good, and I think you guys might like it. If you never tried it, I'll drop the links below. You will have the link for this software I use to create my software. It's my website, and you'll also have the link for the hosting service that I use as well. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to bump out of this screen, and I'm going to go over here, and well, that's my video up there. It's being loaded. We're going to bump out of that. We don't need to see that, but let's go right over here first. Here's one, Wix. Now, whenever I go to my, well, I don't see it anymore, but when I used to have monetization, I would see these ads pop up for Wix. Apparently, I don't see it anymore because my YouTube channel has been demonetized along with all the other small-time creators. But that's okay. Like I said in my other videos, I'm still going to be making videos regardless whether it's monetized or not. So let's do a little talk here about this here. Wix is good. Okay, it's not bad. I don't use them. I mean, and the two services I'm talking about, I don't use them. But I just want to make you guys aware because maybe you might not be interested in the hosting service I use, and you might want to go with these other two. So when you click on here to see all the plans, it brings you to this website here, another site, and you can read a little about it. Now they have a connect domain. I'm not too familiar with it, but it says it's basic. It's $5, most basic one, and you get 1 gigabyte. And you get 500 megabytes of storage, and you connect to your domain, and then you got the other one for personal use, which is $11 a month. Now, when you do the math on these, folks, and you do these here, even a smaller one, right? $11 a month times 12, right, is according to this here, my calculator, it's $132. Now, unless I typed it in wrong, let me just try it one more time here. All right. Yeah. It comes to $132 a year, okay, with the combo for the personal use. Then you got the other one, which is unlimited for entrepreneurs and freelancers, $14 a month. And in e-commerce, $17. And VIP, it's $25 a month. And you know, when you do the math on a lot of these here, it adds up. Believe me. You know, for example, that one over there, the one for $25 a month comes to $300 a year. Okay. Now, if you're on a tight fixed budget like I am, and I am a frugal person, I call myself the frugal entrepreneur because I am. I always look for shortcuts, and I look to get more bang for the buck, so to speak. And the only way I do that there is by being frugal. And looking at, I take everything into perspective, and I try to utilize that information I get, and you know where it's going to work, it's going to be beneficial to me, and that's why I'm doing this video to help people like yourself out. Now, a lot of people may say, well, $11 a month ain't bad, $130 a year, whatever, it's $132 a year, it's not bad. But how would you like to get that type of service, this one here, right, with 2 gigabytes of bandwidth, okay, but how would you like to get this here for, how about $25 for the year for your host? Now this is just for the hosting, but I'm going to get into that in a little bit. But this is, just remember, this is Wix, okay? Now I'm not knocking Wix. Wix is good. I'm sure it's very good. Okay, they say it gives you. It says Wix gives you hundreds of templates, unlimited pages, and top grade hosting, free upgrade to premium, and even get even more. But all right, now you might say, well, I don't know about the service you have to, what you're going to talk about, but maybe it's not as good as this. You pay for everything you want in this world. Let's face the facts, okay? This one here, they're saying the most popular one for $14 a month. I'm sure it is. I'm sure it is and it's probably a reasonable price too. But you know, the thing today is to save that dollar bill, okay? So let's bump out of Wix. Let's go over here. Here's another one called Oblo. Now Oblo, you sign up for free, of course, and they do have a starter service for free. You get 500 products. Now I believe this is for a store type of thing, but if you guys are interested in stuff like this here, I think I did a video once before I talked about this here. You can check into it. You know, this is if you you can see it's like definitely a store because it's saying orders per month, 50 per month. But you get certain things here, but if you want the other basic stuff, that's when the money starts coming in. Now, this is $29.90 a month if you get their basic. That's their basic price, okay? Here you get 1,000 products, okay? And of course, the higher you go with the Pro, you get 3,000, you get unlimited orders per month. Here's still 500 for $29 a month. All right, that's all fine and Jim dandy if you want to have a monthly bill. I mean, if you go with this one here, you say, well, if I just get involved with this here, it's not a bad starter plan. It's not a bad starter plan. But I'll tell you, what I like about mine, and this is what's coming up next, is with 3iX. 3iX, I get 40 gigabytes, not megabytes, 40 gigabytes of web space. I get 100 gigabytes of bandwidth, and I get 50 pop email accounts, all for $1 a month. Now, folks, I'm not affiliated with them. I thought I was at one time, so I am not getting nothing from them as far as I know. I haven't gotten any information saying that, you know, I'm getting any type of monetary gain from them. So I'm doing this on my own. Okay, it's like I said again, I'm doing this because I want to try to help people out. I'm not getting anything from this here, to be honest with you, but I'm just enlightening you and letting you know the services I use to, you know, host my website. Okay, basically you could talk by phone. Sometimes I have to say this, so just to share with. Sometimes it's a little hard to get there by the phone because you know, they're too busy or whatever. But they do have a chat service and they do work with you. I've used their chat service many a times, not for anything, but just to inquire information. Never had really any problems with them. I love them. Like I said, right over here it says affordable web host, $1 web hosting. Okay, $1 hosting, reseller web hosting, shared web hosting, cheap web hosting, so on, it goes on, so forth and so forth. Right? Then you got some comments that people made. Here's a guy that says over here, I didn't believe the price, but when it says you let me try it for 14 days. I never looked back again. Here's another one, great prices, fantastic service. Here's one other person here. You designed my website with care and attention to detail. I'm very happy. This person's from the UK. So they only put 3 up there, but there are a lot more people I'm sure they're very happy, and I'm one of them. Okay, but this is what I'm trying to say. If you guys are interested in saving, look at right here, folks. This is the one I use, the Excite plan. But look at their prices, though. Look at this. Here's one over here, right? $8 a month for the Extreme. If you're a person that really needs a lot of space, web space, 700 gigabytes, unlimited bandwidth, right? Host unlimited sites, $8 a month. $8 a month. I mean, that's a pretty good price. Here's another one, the Expert. 300 gigabytes of web space, unlimited bandwidth, host 5 websites, $5 a month. And then it goes on. Here's the one over here, Extra. Right? For $3 a month, you get 150 gigabytes. Folks, if you're looking to start off and you want a good hosting service, check out 3iX. Okay? And you don't have to tell them, oh, Rich sent me, because I'm not getting nothing out of it anyway. I mean, if you want to say you've seen it on a website or somebody was, you know, talking about your website on a YouTube channel, you want to tell them, you don't have to tell them me, but you could just tell them you've seen it, that's how you came across it. Okay? Like I said, I'm not getting nothing for this here. But again, Look at this. This is the plan I got right here, folks. The Excite plan. Okay? 40 gigabytes. It's a lot of, to me, that's enough space. 40 gigabytes is a lot for me. That's a lot of pictures, text, and videos and stuff like that. And I'm going to show you in a minute my website. And but I just want to go over this with you guys. I mean, for $1 a month, I know it sounds like you probably say it doesn't sound right, but I'm telling you, it's $1. That's for the hosting, though, folks. Now, if you go and get their domain costs I think about $14. Okay, so let's see over here. Let's see about the domains here. Domain name, registered domain. Here it is. It's affordable. Okay, a domain privacy if you want to add privacy to it. I had that on until I took it off. I said, I don't care. Who cares? It's $14.99 a month. Okay, not a month. For the year. So when you think about it and you do the math, okay, and when you think about what you're getting, it's not bad at all. It's like what? It comes out to what? $20-something, almost $30 for the year, if that. So you might really want to consider checking into this here, folks. I really would suggest that you check into it. You can't beat that with a stick, to be honest with you. I mean, honest to God, it's nothing. It's a good website. I mean, service. I've used them, and like I said again, I never had any problem with them, and I think you guys would be very happy with them as well. But check them out. It's 3iX, and let me know what you think. If you decide to go with it, drop me a comment and say, hey, Rich, I tried 3iX out. I like their services and stuff like that. You may, I don't know. I'm just saying. I mean, I haven't had any problems with them. I've been with them for a number of years now. They've been hosting my website, and I have no problem with them. So the choice is yours. Like I said, it's up to you if you want to do that. I can't tell you what to do, but it's not bad at all to check into it, though. It really ain't. So look into it if you got the time. And now I just want to go over here, and this is the software I showed you. This here, if you see over here, it's Webplus, okay? And as you see, it says no HTML. And I'm going to open up my website. I'm going to open a window here live, but I just wanted to tell you guys, you could get this same package, okay, for $8.99 with free shipping, and you get it from Walmart. That's all I paid, folks. $8.99. Okay. All right. Now it says over here it's on Walmart's website, but it says sold and shipped by Deal Clock. That's the same one. They have a return policy too. Okay. If you click it on, you can read that. Not all orders can be canceled, but Deal Clock cannot guarantee that your order can be canceled, but before it ships. But they do have the warranty there. If you got, like it says over here, must be reported within 30 days of the purchase date. All right, and then it goes on. But like I said again, I've used them. I had no problem with this here, the software I'm using right now. And I'm going to show you my website I created. I'm still working on it, and I think you guys would like it too. It's good software. You get a lot of text with it, and matter of fact, I'll show you at the end of the video what you get in the box with, and you can check it out for yourself. But I'm going to click on my website, which is Rjpasini.com. And you can see what it's all about. This is basically it right now. I'm still working on it. I have it set up, and again, this is all done through, you see the video down here. This here is a YouTube channel, of course. But I created this website myself, and it gives you the templates to change the title bar here, like the bar if you want to navigate, the navigation bar. You could change it. They have different ones with that there. The software is good. I have it opened over here in the bottom, and I'll show you a little about that too. But this is my website, and it's pretty fluid. It moves pretty decent considering. This is my YouTube help page. I added this recently because sometimes people will send me messages regarding some information they need help with. So I created a YouTube help page. Then I got the featured products here, where I copy these pages. I got these information off here, and these are right now on eBay. Well, I have to update it. A couple might not be here anymore, but a majority of these things still are here on eBay. But and then I have the About Us page. That's basic like that. The service, I talk about my service, my feedback, and my tracking service, what I use. And I have the contact here. Okay, if you want to contact me, that's my email address, my regular mailing address. That's the phone number, of course. And then I got the social media. Okay, I'm on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube, and my eBay feedbacks as well. Okay, and that's a video I popped in there. Very cut and dry, easy to work with. And here's how it looks when you open it up. You got the window here. It says create, open, and learn. And you get more. You download free stuff. Sometimes you get stuff, sometimes you don't. When you open it up, this is how the page will open up. And it'll generate the preview there, the object preview. And when it opens up, my computer's running a little slow, folks, maybe because I got things on the side. This is how it looks when you first start it open. You know, you set it up. I always keep it 100% because when I'm doing my updates, whatever, I want to make sure I could see, you know. But you can change things here. You could change the taskbar. You could add pictures, drop, you know, just copy and paste, and it's easy. You just drag and drop in there. And on the bottom here, they have image. And again, it says over here, flash videos, if you want to do flash. That's what I have down below here. This is a flash video. What happens is when it comes up, the pictures change. As you can see, it looks like it's getting ready to change. If you want to preview your stuff and see what it looks like ahead of time, they got on top here the not the published website one, not that one. Let's see, I don't know if it's this one here. Let's see, not that one. I'm just trying to see over here where it says the preview. Now, let's see here, paste, copy. Well, maybe when you go back in here, I know I had the one for previewing. You could actually preview it, and you could see what it looks like. But again, they have a whole bunch of other different things here. They also have videos too, folks. When you want to click on a help, you get video help too. Let's see over here for tutorials. The tutorials, they're usually pretty much all video stuff. So that'll take you to another page, as you can see here, another website. And you know, you could talk about it there. You can go to the forums and stuff like that. These are people that I guess had been on it, you know, asking questions, whatever. And it's got the quick stuff. You know, they have other ones too now. This one here, I have the X5. They have the Webplus X8. You can get another versions of it too. But if you go there and you check it out for yourself, you know. But without getting too much into it, check it out for yourself. And like I said again, you could go and get it at Walmart. If I get back over here, you can get it at Walmart, and for $8.99. Okay, this is the website I went to, and that's why I picked it up. So I'm just going to bump out of this window. Let me go back over here again, and take it from there. So this is the website. This is how it comes when you get it in the mail. You could pick it up at the store, or you could have it delivered to the house. I have it delivered to the house because I didn't feel like going to the Walmart. But as you can see over here, it says no HTML. Okay, when you get the package, very nice packed. Okay, you open it up. It's got a little Velcro thing there to keep it closed. It's got a little booklet in there type of thing, so you could see. All right, you could check out some, you know, like I guess like a quick start thing here. It's only got a few pages in there, but that's not the only thing you get. That's just basic stuff. Okay, what you get in here, the content is what's in here. What you get. And I just got to open it up. I take care of everything, folks. I keep everything in boxes and stuff like that. I save my stuff because I keep the software in here as well. So when it comes like this, you know, neatly packaged. You will get a book with it, of course. And the book is a nice size book. Look at that. Nice thick book. It's not like a little cardboard or, not cardboard, like a little, you know, like a little newspaper print. This is a nice book. It's pretty well done, you know. You see the pages in there. I don't like to mess around with the pages. I like to keep everything crisp. Again, they got the online tutorials. You can learn from the online tutorials too. You don't have to read this here, but I like books. I like to refer to them too. They're good for reference. And then you get your Webplus disc, okay, with the activation key on here. Okay, I got to cover that up, folks, because you know I don't want everybody to have my activation key. Get that. And then you get another one over here, folks, that comes with its high impact email, professional, I guess. And I got to cover it again because you get the thing here, and you get that with as well. Okay, we can see that. It's a little blurry, I guess. There, that's my webcam ain't focusing in. You get that, and of course you get the card here, Webplus. Now they did away with the 12 months of hosting, free hosting. Okay, this is how it would come back in the day, back when they did offer it. You get this card. And that's what it'd be. You know, the web plan. It says there Webplus Net Gold. You would get that. And then you just a little advertisement here. Please register your software. And you get that little thing there. But overall, like I said again, folks, I have no problem with the software. and I think you guys would like it too. Check it out. You know, you don't have nothing to lose. If you're going to buy the software, you might be able to download Webplus. I'm not sure which version it is. I think they do have a free download for you to try, but don't quote me on that. I think I never, no, I didn't download the free one, but I did research on that, and I liked the way it looked, the functionality. I came across a YouTube channel that had it, and I was watching the guy do the demo on it, and that's what caught my attention. That's why I wanted to sign up with that there, and I ended up buying it. And it's really good. It's easy to use. It really is, folks. And you know, if you want to save money, like I said, it's a minimal investment, $8.99. What do you got to lose? It's $9, you know. And you could create nice websites. You really can. Back in the day, you had to use a lot of HTML. And if you're not an HTML programmer, you know, I always thought HTML was somewhat easy, but it can get very complex and hard as time goes on. That's why I think they're doing away with it when they came out with this here. They put no HTML in, because I guess a lot of people don't want to sit there and read code and type in the code and figure this one out, how to make things large or how to add colors, and you had to do everything through HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, I believe. And myself, I mean, I was in the IT field, but back then I wasn't more of a program. I wasn't in the programming aspect of it. I was more hardware. You know, I would do like the building of the systems and stuff of that nature, but I was not into the programming part. That really never really got to me. When I was going to school for A+ technician, I had to, you know, do some stuff like that. Or even for college, we had to do basic programming, and it was basic is basic, you know, COBOL and stuff like that. When you're learning all the basic and the fundamentals of it, it's not too bad. But when it starts getting more complex, that's when it starts becoming, you get brain, your brain starts getting numb. You know, you're sitting there trying to figure things out, and that's where it gets complicated. But anyway, without this, you don't have to worry about the HTML, folks. It's pretty cut and dry. And if you guys try it out, if you do sign up with 3ix, and you do buy the software at Walmart, I'm telling you, I don't think you'll be disappointed. Especially if you're a person that's like a beginner, not a novice, but a beginner that's looking to learn, and you want to teach yourself stuff. They have videos on this. I'm telling you, you can learn too from YouTube too. They have it. There's some people that talk about it, such as myself, and they'll walk you through it. They have introductory videos, and plus the videos they think are embedded within the program as well, I believe. And I'm telling you, you guys would like it. So give it a shot. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Again, if you like my videos, my name is Rjpasini. I am my user ID on eBay is shop Rjpasini for great deals. And if you like my videos and you get anything out of them, please subscribe to my channel. Give them a thumbs up if you get anything out of it that you felt it was helpful. I really would appreciate it. Just to give you a heads up on the things I do, the reason why I do these videos, folks, is to help people out. If I could help you guys save a buck here and there, and you're getting the same results basically with the stuff I'm showing you and offering, telling you about, that's why I do it. Okay. In any of the videos I do, that's why I produce these videos. Is it time consuming? Yes. Do I? But honestly, I love doing them though. I love the videos. I love doing YouTube, making YouTube videos. And I love, like I said, my other passion is I do love selling on eBay as well. And I will continue to keep doing videos as long as I can. And I hope you guys will subscribe, and I hope this channel could grow bigger and bigger. It'd be nice if it could grow each day, each month, each week, each year, whatever, every month. I'd love to have thousands and maybe millions of subscribers, But I hope you guys really do like the stuff I put out. And please leave comments below. I will be dropping links below of the services that I talked about, the 3ix, where you can get the software, and plus if you're interested in looking at the listings I have on eBay, just to share with you really quick, all the listings I have on eBay are with best offers. I have been reducing some of the prices on some of these items, so even though I reduced them, I'm still accepting best offers. So if you guys have the time and you want to check it out and you want to save some money, please hit the eBay's website and look. I got the link there. It'll take you right to it, and you tell me what you think, folks. But you got to make those offers. The only way you're going to know if you're going to save money is by you making that offer. So that's got to be done by you. I can't do that for you. Thanks again for stopping by and checking out this video. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you have a great weekend. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Bye-bye now.